Algorand is currently sitting at 32 cents approximately. So first off, let's zoom out a sec. Let's get into these details. Algorand's, this is the 1 year chart. We're actually going to pull up the 5-year chart. So since this time in 2021, Algorand's circulating supply has grown about 28% since this high. Therefore, to match that previous all-time high of $2.80 something cents, Algorand's market cap will need to work 28% harder. That's why I want to focus on the market cap chart, not just on the price chart. So let's go to Algo market cap chart. So as you can see, that blue line is the simple moving average. We are currently sitting above that simple moving average, which does show the bulls still potentially in control here. We are above the simple moving average. That means the bulls are potentially in control. Algo's market cap is sitting at just about 2.7 billion. But keep in mind, here at the previous all-time high, that explosive spike took it to about $18.9 billion. If we hit that same $18.9 billion market cap now, well, the price wouldn't be 282. The price would actually only be 222 due to the increased supply. So therefore, when people do talk about a $5 Algorand, I have to caution them. Algorand has a lot of work to do to reach that $5 level. Even if we reclaim this previous all-time high in market cap terms, that would only be $2.20 due to the increased supply. So that's certainly possible, but it might not be a direct path. Let's talk technicals, because that's what we do. Right now, the overall technicals on the daily are showing a sell, but keep in mind, this is pretty balanced sell, a weak sell, I would say. There are 10 neutral indicators. Here, these oscillators are almost all neutral, while the moving averages are in general showing a sell. This does show some bearish divergence. Algorand tends to pump and give back those gains before going on again. I've been in the Algorand game since the start, and you can see this pattern repeated over and over. 2021, 2023, 2024. Algorand pumps, it corrects, and then it builds momentum for the next leg. Right now, we're in that correction phase. So you can see here on that 3-month, we have been consolidating in this downward channel. Now, that's not a bad thing necessarily. It creates opportunities. If you can understand this pattern and know how this pattern works, you can prepare to buy at support levels and ride the next wave. And this isn't just true for Algorand, this is true for any crypto. For example, right now, Algo is sitting at just over 32 cents. It is at a $2.71 billion market cap. Let's get back to Algo, sitting at just over 32 cents. In my previous video, I said that we might need to stay over this 31 cent support. And right now we are over that, barely, but in my opinion, Algo needs to hold over this range to show strength. If it does drop below this 28 cent mark, we might need to revisit that 20 cent, even 16 cent to 18 cent range, which by the way has been a value zone for years for Algo. Look, we were in this range for a long time. But if we can hold that 30 cent level, 27 to 30 cent level, and even reclaim some of these higher bottoms like 35 cents, then we could be looking at the beginning of a much bigger move. That's just one man's opinion. Take it or leave it. But yes, therefore, if Algorand executes this roadmap, including staking and improved marketing, I believe $20 billion is just a stepping stone. Now that's just one man's opinion. Take it or leave it. And speaking of staking, it is a game changer. If Algorand does nail down staking, then it could pressurize the circulating supply, thus reducing sell pressure. And by reducing sell pressure, that could drive the price much higher. So that's why I personally am long-term bullish on algo, although of course I understand that this is a game of probability. Things can go either way, really. You just have to wait and see. Crypto is unpredictable. Just because something happened before does not mean it will happen again. It just doesn't. So here we're looking at these real-time Algorand mainnet stats. We're currently sitting at 18 TPS. This is a relatively high number still, but algo can handle much more. You can see the 24-hour TPS peaks were at $130. Algorand is blazing fast. That's one of its benefits. That's one of its strengths. Algorand is blazing fast. You can see the mainnet has been slowly growing, which is to be expected. Take a quick look at Algorand assets. So yeah, pretty much what we'd expect. These are the major ASAs. Not going to get too into ASAs or shitcoins in this episode. That's just how we roll. Anyways, it's been a nice one. We've been talking about algo. I think we can leave it at there for now. Thank you for joining us. This is the Future Hour. We're out.